I led us right into his trap.
My magic. This is my fault.
What?
You have to tell them to let me go.
I'll figure it out. I just need more time.
Hang up those saddles and get married.
You're my best friend.
I can't.